So first thing you do, open up Microsoft Forms and get a quiz of something that you've already made up. Then go and open up the PowerPoint that you want to go and put the link into. On the front page, I personally would put some sort of instruction just telling the students that they need to be working through the checking questions as they go through. So we'll get there in a minute. So then go through your PowerPoint, scroll through to the point where you want them to go and do the checking question. The easiest way to do it now is to go insert a text box and just go type in checking question. Make sure that you go and make it bold or whatever and make it quite big. So that way they can't claim that they have not seen it. After you've done that, go fill in the shape with a colour, put a border around it, or whatever. Just to make it stand out a little bit more. Then go into Forms, open up the quiz that you have already prepared. If you go into the share option, you can copy the link to the quiz. So that will copy the link to your clipboard. Then go back into PowerPoint, right click on the object, so the text box, and go through and select hyperlink. When that comes up, you can go and paste in the link to the Microsoft form that you've just looked at. So when students go and view this as a PowerPoint, they will be able to go click on that check quiz, and it should take them through to the quiz that you have already set up in Microsoft Forms. It's not as fast as it could be, but hey ho. So that opens up the short quiz. You can then go down, or they can go down, select on whatever questions or the answers they want. They click on submit. After they've clicked on submit, they can click on view results, and that will go and show them what they've got right and what they've got wrong, so it gives them fast feedback. You can then go and look at the results yourself.